I'll be showing you various wipes I use to wipe my bottom, even for the children to use to wipe their bottom, you know. So this one is wipes. So when you use this to wipe your bottom, when you open your bowels, do not put it in the toilet. Have a little basket in your toilet where you have a little bag where you wrap it and put it in the toilet basket. But with this, you can put in the toilet after wiping your bottom. So I've got two colors here. This one you can, after you finish open your bag, clean your bum and chop it inside the toilet. It's like a tissue paper, but they are very expensive, but I prefer this one. They are very nice. This one, sometimes my skin react to the perfume inside, so I rinse out the fragrance with my tap water before I use to wipe my bum. Another alternative is literally this one. You can use tissue paper. There are various kinds of tissue paper in the market. I use this one, Andrex. This one is very good tissue paper. Cleaning stuff for my toilet. Nice smelling toilets. These are my cleaning stuff I use to clean my toilet and my bathroom. I use this one. I use this one. This one comes out from this packet. This one, I put it once a week in the toilet before I go to bed. It's like a tablet. It bleaches the toilet for you. This one is to spray in the toilet after using the toilet. So this one here refreshes the toilet. Each time you flush, can you see it? You stick it there. It's from here. You stick this one in there. So each time you flush, just give it that foamy and nice smelling toilet. Basically, this is my toilet brush. If any poo stick in the toilet, this is the one I use. I don't like those other olden days type of brush. I use this modern type where you stick this one in here, you open it here. Yeah, can you see it? You stick it in there. Stick. Yeah. Then you use it to clean your toilet. After using your toilet, you see it, you just clean. If there's any poo in there, I still use this one to clean my toilet. Instead of dipping my hand, I use this one, you know, to clean any poo that sticks in there. Takes it out, so it cleanses like your normal toilet brush. This is my toilet brush. The only thing is that you have to be buying this one each time you finish. It refreshes your toilet, give it a fresh, nice smell. You see? With this, you can put it inside, throw it inside there and leave it. So when I flush, I just rinse. Then I put it back to the stand. It has a stand there. That is the stand. You stick it to the stand. There. That is the stand. You see? You see how fresh the toilet is? See how fresh the toilet is? Nice smelling toilet. So we got different variants. I use these Dettol wipes as well to clean, you know, the toilet as well. So I put down the seat. That is the toilet. You see how clean it is? Then I close it. Various wipes I used to wipe my bum after opening my bowel, you know, and the tissue paper as well. Toilet rolls is there over there. Before I go to bed, twice every 2 weeks for these tablets under the sink. So now, today, I'm going to bed now. I'll open up it. cleaning the sink. This is the sink where we brush our teeth, wash our hand after making use of the toilet. So this is what I use to clean my toilet to make it shine. See, CIF power is very good. Look, you see how the handle of my bathroom is shining. Can you see? That keeps it clean. Then I use these wipes. This one is very handy. You can use cloth if you want, but I don't use cloth. I only use cloth to dust. So I just clean my sink with antibacterial wipes. Clean under the sink. I got Marigold there. I got these other wipes, you know. So I spray this ones in there. That makes it shine. Very nice, very nice. See how shiny it is. I use this stuff, this CIF, to clean all my silver handle in the kitchen, in the toilet, in the bathroom, the shower as well. I do the same thing. You see how shiny it is, and it cleans them very quick. It removes every rust, you know, every dirt, takes them off, you know. You see how shiny it is? You see how shiny it is? You see how shiny the part is? You see how shiny it is? Look.